Right. Look, my dear students, very clearly. So, now we are in chapter 13. It is sound. Already we know different types of sounds among you. You know more than me. Different types of sounds. What is a sound actually? How sound is produced by objects? How our ears are receiving sound? It is a great matter which is God created. Right? Look here. What is a sound? Sound can done by many things. Sound can done by many things. But compulsory making sound purpose two things, two objects compulsory need to meet. At least two objects compulsory should rub or whatever it have to do. Not only that, any one thing compulsory that two objects can do. Disturbance of object can produce the sound. Look here. Like that only, look here. Sound can produce by many things. Either that is a musical band, a door, bell, window, bathroom door, mobile, lock, key, chalk falling on the floor, whatever. Blowing the air, flowing the water can also produce the sound. Flying birds also producing a sound. If you clearly listen, number of birds when at a time flying, due to their flying, one sound will produce. One sound will come. List of topics. What is sound topics are there? Listen. Sound topics. Introduction of sound first of all. Second one, different types of sounds. Different types of sound. Third one, sound as a wave. Sound as a wave. Fourth one, wave types and parameters. Wave types and parameters. Next, human ear. Not only our ear, animal ear also there. Condition necessary for producing sound. I told you already. Condition necessary for producing sound. Next, sound produced by human and animal, whatever. Sound produced by human or animal, whatever. Sound wave propagation through states of matter. Sound going, sound propagate or sound go forward. Sound go forward, sound go forward in water, in air, in solids. States of matters are three: solid state, liquid state, gas state. In three states, how sound is propagating. Propagation meaning is going in straight line forward. Propagation meaning is going in straight line. Remember. Right. Next word given at there, audible and inaudible sound. Audible and inaudible. We can listen some, we cannot listen some. That is called inaudible. So, audible sound and inaudible sound. What is their frequency values also? Noise difference. Sound, due to sound only we feeling sometime music, sometime noise, sometime disturbance, sometime other things. Why? What is noise? Music and instruments. Noise, music, instruments. Noise pollution. What is noise pollution? So these many topics are there. We study slowly one by one. What is first topic? Sound. What is sound? Compulsory we need to understand. Sound. What is sound, man? It is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy and something there. Look at that produce sensation of hearing. Sound is a form of energy which produce sensation of hearing. Mean we are listening. When one sound can produced by any object. Sound is a form of energy which will produce, which can give sensation of hearing, listening, listenful. Remember, sound is a form of energy which, look at sensation of hearing. That energy is able to hear. That energy is making us to listen. That sound. Sound is a form of energy. Next. Different types of sound that we hear. What type of sounds you able to hear? Look here. Ticking of a clock. Ticking of clock by hands. You know wall clock? In that wall clock, hands, needles are there. That needle sound. Tick, 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 tick. It will be. Ticking of sound. So, ticking of clock. Second, humming of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes will hum. Mosquitoes will humming. Why? I don't know what exactly. I asked one person. He told her mosquitoes are humming before biting to the person, because if that person is slept or not. When that person is slept, automatically they will sit and they will sink the blood. If person is not slept, he will beat like this. When he will beat again, they will go a round of others. Again it will come. Right? Humming of mosquitoes and barking of dogs. Already you know well. If you have the dogs, many people will experience it. Barking of dogs. When dog looks new persons, it starts giving sounds. Barking of dogs. Next one is given children playing in garden. Appa, this is too much. Children playing in garden. We cannot assume the sound also. Too much disturbance will play. But they will play. Children playing in garden. Already we all are experiencing this. Next, a music player sound. It is excellent. Music player sound. Somebody can be interested. Many people are interested in music. Because music is excellent for hearing. We feel again and again. We want to listen it. Like that we feel. Next, a horn. You know horn sound. Already you know vehicles are there. Boom. Horn will come. Horn sound. Different horns are there. Different horns are there. Next, sound is a kind of wave. Okay, sound is a kind of wave. Sound is a kind of wave. Not then like this I drawn here. This is our ear. Ear and ear. Sound will be like this. Sound will move one place to another place. Pictures are given excellently. Please look after them. Next, wave. What is wave? It is the periodic disturbance. Wave is a periodic disturbance. Periodic. time periods are there. Wave. Wave is a periodic disturbance in a medium. Medium mean not English medium, Karnataka, Kannada medium, Telugu medium. Medium mean states. In water state, in air state, in solid state. So wave is the periodic disturbance in a medium that wave transfer energy. This wave can transfer energy from one particle to another particle for hearing purpose. One particle to another particle for hearing purpose. Thank you. We can see next video tomorrow.